Dapitan from Mindanao. Yeah, hi Ilubu. For the music, what? The ah, maybe the electric fan. I mean, the electric fan. Love the smiley. Thank you. Because I'm so sleepy. I'm gonna get. Love your dress, honey, please. Sweetheart neck. Hello, sweetheart neck. Yes, please respect. Thank you, as Cobra 456. Inappropriate comments. Yes, because that inappropriate comment reflect to my channel. Please be good to your comment, guys. Single with smile like that. Yeah, a single mother. And this is my son. This son is which class? He's in grade 1. He's 6 years old. Hello, Jane, Nadine, Bagilan. All happy. Mm-mm. Well, as a single mother, it's not easy, but are still struggling life for better future with me and my son. Good mother, yeah. I always raise my son with my own. So this YouTube, I earn in this YouTube. So this is my one of my what you call this? What you call that? Source of income. You you have membership live maybe another hour because I don't know what's my content on my membership live. Wait, no husband because that is not my husband. He's my ex-boyfriend, but live-in partner only, not married. Craig Kennedy. Oh well, I'm so fine today. It's late evening here in Philippines now. Hello, Muhammad. This is somebody. Hi, Antonio Romari. Hello, guys. Also, so love is six that. Ice is, I feel sleepy, but I need to do this because without this is the way of income here, so we can buy food. So even though it's late night, I go live, I go edits, and I go somewhere. Hello, kiss or slap? Kiss. Slap, it's so hurt. Like this. Hello. Hello, baby, is there? Smile. Smile. Shout out, baby. Shout out to Boom. Shout out, Boom. Hi. Because I'm still awake even it's 12, 12, 17. English. Yes, I know how to speak English because most of my viewers are English. So I need to speak English so they can understand me and we can communicate through this live. And thanks so much, okay? Like it. Okay, I said thank you for subscribing my channel. J-Ho. Well, J-Ho, you guys, you can also join my membership if you like. So I invite you to join so you can help my channel grow. Because I am so sad. What happened to my channel now is my views and subscribers are getting slower and goes down, but I'm still okay. I know that this is not the time to boom. Dami niyo pong pinapaligaya, idol. Ay, kasi ina-shoutout ko to. Ines Akar, what is your mother? What is your mother? And what is your father? Well, dami. Hi, Mom Naomi. Hello, Heroding. Hi. Hello.